Students, I welcome you all in this new video of mathematics. Today we are taking topic area and perimeter from grade 7 and the chapter number is 11th chapter. Book I am following is again of NCERT. So we will learn about area and perimeters of certain figures according to the syllabus of grade 7. So basically this is a Cartesian plane. I have uploaded a video on a Cartesian plane coordinate geometry from grade 9. So this is a Cartesian plane where two axes are intersecting each other at 90 degree. X dash x and y dash y, these are two number lines intersecting each other. So any figure, this is called 2D basically. This is a Cartesian plane. It is two dimensional. D means dimensional. So any plane figure can be represented on this plane. So like figures like square, rectangle, triangle, such figures are known as 2D figures or plane figures. So this is a plane. So these are known as 2D figures or plane figures. So let's see what a perimeter and area is. So a perimeter of a figure is basically a distance around the figure which is closed. So perimeter is what? If we have a certain figure that is a plane figure, perimeter is distance around the closed figure. So it will give us perimeter for that figure. Area is what? Area is region enclosed by a closed figure. For example, if this is my triangle, then perimeter is what? This distance, this plus this side plus this side. So sum of all the three sides here is giving me the perimeter for this triangle. If I have this square, which is again a plane figure or 2D figure, say ABCD, this square is what? Where all the sides are equal and angle at the vertices are 90 degree. We have just seen under chapter quadrilaterals that I am teaching, and few videos have been uploaded by me. So we have seen quadrilaterals like rectangle, square, etc. in that video. So this is the definition where all the sides are equal and angle at vertices are 90 degree. This figure is called square, and the perimeter for this square is what? Sum of all the sides AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So if third figure is my rectangle, then if name is ABCD again, this is a rectangle. Rectangle is what? This is a quadrilateral where opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other and any of the angles at the vertices is 90 degree, then automatically other angles will be of 90 degree. So this is a rectangle, and here this is length, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth. So sum of all the sides, what it's saying, distance around the closed figure. Distance around the closed figure is what? Basically sum of all the sides. Four sides it has. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So it will give me the perimeter for this rectangle. So if we assume that S is a side with some unit meter or centimeter, S is the side of this square, then perimeter of a square is S plus S plus S plus S, which means number 4S basically, which means number of sides into length of side. S plus S plus S plus S is 4 times S, which means number of sides that are 4 in number times what? A side which it has, measurement of that side. So 4S is the perimeter for this square, for any square. This is the formula. Now let's see the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. So I just told you that sum of all the sides, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, length, breadth, length, breadth. So this is basically 2 times L plus 2 times B. So take this 2 out. Formula is 2 times length plus breadth. This is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. So I hope you understood what the perimeter is. This is just sum of all the sides or edges of a closed figure. Which figure? We are talking about 2D figures here. So next is the area of any figure or plane figure. Let's see this. What is area? Let's see with the same examples. Area, I just told you that region enclosed by a closed figure. You can see a board here on which I am writing. It is a plain figure and the area enclosed is this surface that it has, that I am writing on. This much region enclosed in between the edges of a figure is known as area of that figure, and sum of all the four edges of this board is giving me the perimeter of this board. Okay, so if this is a square, we have to find the area of square and rectangle first in exercise 11.1, and in the next exercise we will see the area of a triangle. So let's see what the area of a square is. So this region enclosed here, it is giving me, this shaded area is giving me the area enclosed in this figure, which is a square. So area of this figure is given by, area will be S into S, side into side will give me this much area. So the unit for a perimeter is the same unit that is in the question, and the unit for the square is unit square. So if the question is in centimeter, the answer of the area will be in centimeter square and the answer for the perimeter will be in centimeters only. Fine. So the formula for the area of a square is S square. S into S means S square. How? S times S, I am saying this is power 1, power 1. We need not to write 1 in the powers. We don't mention 1. So S into S means raised to power 1. So when the base is the same, we just add up the powers. We will get S square. So S square is the formula for the area of this square. Let's see the formula for the area of this rectangle. This much area we have to find, and the formula is again what? We have to times the sides. So here sides are what? Length and breadth. We will just multiply these two sides. So length into breadth. Here side was what? S, and we have multiplied it 2 times, this side and this side. Here also we have to multiply this side and this side. So L into B is giving me the area for this rectangle. Length into breadth is the formula for the area. Let me repeat, perimeter of a figure is what? Sum of all the sides, and area is what? The region enclosed by that figure. So the sum for the perimeter of a square we will do 4 times into side, and for the perimeter of rectangle we will do 2 times length plus breadth, and for the area of square we will do S into S, which is basically S square, and for the area of rectangle we will do L into B, length into breadth. This much we have done so far. So let's see the questions related to this concept, area and perimeter of square and rectangle. We will see here. So this is question number 1. Here we are given with a rectangular piece of land with length 500 meters, breadth 300 meters. Find its area. If the word rectangular not mentioned in the question say, then it's very understood that length is 500, breadth is 300, both are different, so it is talking about a rectangular thing. Fine. So length is 500, breadth is 300 meters. Find area. So I'll write area of rectangular piece of land, that will be equals to, we know that L into B. So in the starting you will write given length comma L is equals to this much, breadth comma small b is equals to this much, then area of rectangular piece of land is equals to L into B, which is 500 into 300, which is 15, this much. So this area we are talking about, so we leave the answer in meter squares. 1,50,000 meter squares is the answer for the area of this rectangular piece of land. This is the first part we have done. Second part is saying cost of land if 1 meter square cost is rupees 10,000. Second part I am doing here, cost of land. So this much area we have, and 1 meter square piece of land is costing us rupees 10,000. So we will write cost of 1 meter square of land is equals to rupees 10,000. We have to find the cost of this full area of land. So full area is what? 1,50,000. Then cost of 1,50,000 meter square we have to find. We will just multiply these two figures. So it will be equals to rupees 10,000 we have for 1 meter, and for this much meter we will just multiply this amount or figure to get our answer in rupees. This is the value or the cost of that rectangular. You can multiply and get your answer. So this is the answer, or this is the cost of complete land which is in rectangular shape. So this is how we have to find when 1 meter cost is given and we have to find the cost for the complete area. Just multiply that area into the with the cost of 1 meter square area. So this answer will be in rupees because we are finding cost here. I hope you understand. So the question number 2 is find area of a square whose perimeter is 320 meters. Let's see the solution. We know that perimeter of a square, I just told you, perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into its side. So I'm writing here for you, this is equals to, basically this is given 320. So we will write 320 here. So we know the formula. Formula for the perimeter of square is 4 into side, which was as when I was explaining. So 320, this is in meters. Don't write it here, right? So side will be equals to, take this 4 down on the right hand side in denominator. So side will be equals to, you can cancel out the terms, 80 meters. Side will be 80 meters. This is the way we can find when perimeter is given and we have to find side. But the question is asking us to find the area of square. So how we will find the area? The formula for the area of square is what? I just told you, side into side. Side into side. So this is the formula for area of square. So side is what? 80. Just put the value here. 6,400. So we are talking about area. We will leave our answer in meter squares. So this is the unit for area. This is the unit for side, which is same as of perimeter. So this is the answer of area of this square. So question number 3 is saying we have to find breadth, and length is given 22 meters, area is given 440 meters. So we are talking about what? A rectangular piece. So the question is saying find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. If its area is this much, length is this much, then find the perimeter also. This is the question. Let's see the solution. Very simple. If we know the formulas, we can easily do all the questions of this exercise. So we are dealing with a rectangular plot, so we will write area is given. So we will write area of rectangular plot is equals to 440 meter square. This is given. What is the formula for area of rectangular plot? Area of rectangle is what, as I have told you, length into breadth. So this is equals to 440 meter square is given. So we have to find, this is missing, this is given to us. Put the value of this length here, keep this b as such, 440. So b will be 440 divided by this 22. So breadth will be 20 meter. So breadth is what? 20 meter. This is the value for breadth. This is our one answer. Second, it is asking us to find the perimeter. So we know the formula for the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangular plot. Use the wording as it is given in the question. So we know the perimeter is what? This is equals to, I am writing here, this is equals to 2 times L plus B. We know how. Sum of all the sides. So 2 times L is what? 22 given. Breadth is 20 given. You can do this by yourself. 42, and you can have your answer, which is, we are talking about perimeter, so we will get our answer in meters. Fine. 84 I am writing. So just try to just try to find the answers by yourself. So 84 meter is the perimeter of this rectangular plot. Let's see question number 4. So I'm leaving question number 4 for you all. You can do it by yourself. Here perimeter is given, length is given, we have to find breadth and area. This question is just opposite to question number 3 we have just done. So you can do it by yourself. Let's move to the question number 5. So the question number 5 is area of a square park is equals to area of rectangular park. I have written in the form of equation. What else is given? Side of square park is, right, park here, 60 meters and length of rectangular park is 90 meters. So this is given S to us, this is given L to us. We have to find B here. It's asking us to find breadth. So first, area of square park is equals to area of rectangular park. From here I'm writing, suppose I'm writing this again, then put the values. Area of square park is side into side, or S square you can write. Area of rectangular park is what? L into B. So if the side of square is 6, both the lengths are in same unit, so need not to change anything. If the unit are different, then make them same first, then proceed with the question. So length is what? 90 into B. So it's asking us to find the breadth. It's very easy now to find 60 into 60. Take this 90 down on the left hand side in the denominator. We can cancel out the terms and the common factor. You can reach to your answer, and breadth will be again in meters. So this will be the answer. So these were first 5 questions of exercise 11.1. Rest of the 3 questions we will see in the next videos. Till then, take care, study hard, and if you are not getting any point, you can make use of this comment section below my videos, and you can comment or ask questions there. I'm always ready to help you all. Hit like if you like, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.